Hello guys. So today we are going to see another interesting feature of our ERP system. So by this interface, we can monitor all of our network devices. This device can be anything: access point, router, switch, IP camera, network printer, anything. Means so this is the interface where you can see the total number of the online devices is three. At present, I just added three devices for the demo purpose. So this is total online devices 3, offline devices 0, and total number of devices is 3. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add another interface. So adding a device to this particular interface, we have another page where we can add the devices. So simply we can click on add new. So if this device belongs to your head office, okay, add it as a head office. If this device belongs to and the branch office, you can select the branch office. This device should be enabled or disabled. If it is enabled, it will come under the monitoring counting. If this is under disabled, so it will not come under the monitoring counting. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add my for testing purpose, I'm going to add my cell phone which is connected to my Wi-Fi network. So let's add what is the IP of my cell phone, and on a second, let me check. Okay, so now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add device location. Let's say my cell phone. Okay, identical name I will use the same, my cell phone. IP address of my device is 100.172.10.10.23. Host name I will keep the same, my cell phone. As this is the my cell phone, so I can select as a other category, and whom we can contact in case of this device goes down. So I'll put my name only. You can put the mobile number also. Okay, whom we can contact in case of this device goes down. So let's say I'll just put an fake number and email address in case of this device goes down. So we should send an alert message. So who is responsible for the device, we can choose his email and put it here. If you need to put a detail for the device, you can choose the details also. So let's say it's my phone. Okay, and let's add. At the moment you can see, now once I added, this counting become total number of devices become 4, and the behind the screen this application is scanning this device whether this device is online or offline. If this device is online, it will come under online category. If this device is offline, it will come under the offline category. Okay, so my application found this device is online, so it comes under the online device. Okay, so please do know the online the total number of devices become online is 4, and total. So what I'm going to do now for demo purpose, I'm going to disable the Wi-Fi of my mobile to check how it's going to respond at the time of this device goes down. So at present, if I go to my inbox, there is nothing. Okay, this is old alert. Let me delete this so it will not make any confusion. Okay, so I have deleted this device. So okay, so if I select to disable this device, now from my mobile I disabled the Wi-Fi of my cell phone. So after a while, let's say for a second, let us refresh this. So you may see the alert message over here that it says that my cell phone is down. Even though you can see the counting also, my device goes offline, so it is showing my cell phone. Whatever device goes down, it will come under this scrolling screen. So now the number of online devices is 3, offline is 1, and total is 4. After a while, you can see the logs message under this area. Okay, under this area. So let us see the alert message. See, the alert email also came to my email. As you can see, this is complete history of the my message. He says, "Hello Safat, the status date when my device goes down. What is the status of the device? It is offline. Device location. I just selected my phone. Device type, because it's my while I'm adding this device, I selected the category is other. So device name is my cell phone, the IP address of my device. Okay, and whatever message you wanted to describe, you can just mention it here, and that's it. So let me enable the Wi-Fi of my mobile. You can see the logs now. It's showing that cell phone my cell phone is down since when? It is since 1811. 1811 means 6 p.m. So duration of since down means duration of the down of duration of the device since it is down. It's 1 minute and 8 seconds. It will keep counting the duration. Okay, let me enable the Wi-Fi of my cell phone. Okay, so now what I did now, I just enabled. Once I enabled the device, it can scan at the background, and it will try. After a while, it will keep trying to find this device. Okay, once device is traced, and it will show you the current status of that device. Okay, so if you see now, just a second, I enable the Wi-Fi. Okay, it's enabled now. So after a while, you can see now device became up. So the message replaced with all devices are online now. Even though after a while it will show you the complete summary over here also, as well as you will receive the email of the alert also, alert email for that particular device. So now you can see that alert came already to my email, that which says that hi, hello Zafat, my name. So when their device goes down, it was this time, and when it's back online this time, what was the total duration of the device? This is the that total duration and all the summary of that particular device. Even though if you need to do if you need to disable this device, let's say I don't want to monitor my device from today until a particular date. Let's say I don't want to monitor this device until, let's say, what time is it now? It's 6:14. Okay, so I need to say I don't want to monitor my device until 6:16. Okay, so what it does now, once I save, it will message will change here in that particular page. It says this device is suspended until this time, and even though this device will move from my monitoring list, it will again become 3. As you can see, its total devices under monitoring is total number of devices is 3. So once I reach 6:16, once I cross this time period from 6:14 to 6:16, my devices will come under surveillance again. Okay, so it will be automatically enabled, and it will be already added to this counter. Means it will become after enabling the device, it will become total devices, number of devices become 4, and it will become online. If it is online, it will come under online. If it is offline, it will come under offline device. Even though you can do a complete log, you can check complete history of that particular device. Okay, so at the moment my device goes just once, so it shows that since I added this device, I added this device since 5 minutes, and during this 5 minutes my device was offline for 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay, so even though there is an option to filter this, if you need to, someone ask you, give me the availability of that particular device from this date to this date, you can simply select the date from, let's say, from here, from and to, and once you click search, you will find that particular. Let's say I am going to add for this time, and let's say till 17. When I click search, it will show. If don't find any logs during this period, it will say there is, sorry, no logs found. If it is finding the logs, it will show you the complete logs with the graph. Okay, I hope this will be a very helpful feature. I know there are several. See now, as I timing reached from 6:16 now, so my devices automatically become enabled, and you can see that total number of devices become online 4, and total number of devices are 4 now. Online devices are 4. So I hope this is very useful. I know there are several tools, but that tools are very complicated. Even though like SolarWind, I don't want to mention any application name, but there are some tools which can do this. But that application will be not a part of your ERP system. But this feature is a part of our ERP system. So I hope this is very helpful for you, and you can utilize this.